Um, Hello guys, welcome back to Marbula 1 Season 1, Race 5. We're at the Lightning Expressway. It's not really that, well, fun to us today, but as you can see, the track is laid out right in front of you guys. But without further ado, we shall start the first race, Group A. Let's start off with Misty and Quasar up front. You got Wispy and Solar. Lemon Lime is facing up the challenge there. This is Lemon Lime and Bumble. But Art, Clementine and Snowdrift, Billy and Pinky Winky. Okay boys, 4 laps. 4 laps, we shall start in 3, 2, 1, go. And it's Quasar can start these laps, these 4 laps in first place. We need to him that Misty there with Solar. Oops, sorry guys, but enter the drop. You can see it's pretty basic drop for now, isn't it? Quasar still in front of Misty. That back was Solar, one third place. Then it's Snowdrift and it's Bumble. In the third lap, boys. Okay, boys. There's one thing. Quasar in front. I believe he started in second place. Top 2 are trying to stretch out, but that's Solar now. Well, okay, boys. This is the final lap, boys. And wow, boys. You see, it's not looking good for a few of these. Sorry for that, guys. Let me just put my. Quasar's in front, Whisper not to fall off the edge. Oh. I said, Bumble, lose this whole grip. It's gonna be tight. Quasar, I don't know if he got or not. I've checked the standings now. The bottom 5, Quasar has made it. Made the cut. Ouch, boys. Here are your 5 who are already through. You got Clem. There. And here, boys. Fun enough for the home team starting on pole position. Also against Speedy, the iconic rivalry. Yellow and Mimo, Shaw and Diego. Crush and Bonbon. And finally Toasted and Minty Fresh. Okay, boys, 4 laps. 4 laps. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Now with Speedy to hold things off now. As Mimo's in second place. Other Thunder. Thunder dropped back down to 4th place, I believe. He'll keep his grip. Thunder is. There's Diego, a marble of hope. There's a good. Not quickly. What about Bonbon? As you see, there's the home team. Whoa! Thunder. They're in 3rd place, going to the 3rd lap. Oh, it's a lovely thing with Bonbon there. She got from this into the 1st place. Again, in the 3rd lap. Sorry, boys. Only one more lap, okay, just in case. I've got Speedy, Bonbon, Thunder, and Nero, and Yellow in the top 5 to begin the final lap. Oh, sure, he's got 0 points again. Wow, I'm pretty sure that's not good. Also for Thunder as well. I'm trying to sneak his way up to the top 5. I think he has. Speed going around the corner. What? Oh. Everyone's trying to get himself into good position. Here you go. Oh, Misty. Well, not Misty, sorry. We'll do random places for now. is Diego, Speedy, Bon, no, not Mogo, Mimo and Thunder. Okay, boys, we're gonna do the final race now. 5 laps. Okay, boys, for first place Solar and second place Mimo. Could have a good start. There will be Billy and Paul. Actually, Diego, Speedy, Thunder, the Solar, I believe that is that. Bonbon, yes, Mimo, Misty, Clementon, and Quasar. 5 laps. 5 laps in 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. And it shall be Diego holding off the rest of the field now. For Billy. But the home team are trying to sneak their way into first place. He has got too much pressure on the team. As of now. We're going to go with chaos. Is it raining today? Thunder. However, thunderstorms you can hear from outside the stadium. Wow, but it's thunder. Looking like it's doing good today. So the third out of 5th lap, boys. Find out what it is. I have an opportunity to try and sneak up to the first place. I can't get it done yet. Billy is in third, but look at Solar, however. And it climbs with the top of the standings. There is Solar right now. Okay, we'll score back. 4 out of 5th lap now. I'm missing there. Oh, Fondo's Everton, the sneakiest way up in the first place. Oh, Solar! Off track, but well, I'm talking right now. Yeah, I feel my top is a little bit too small. We're in the final up now. The home team. I was 4 out. 4 are out. This includes Mimo, Bonbon, Solar, and Quasar. Okay, what's we got top 6. Sorry about this, guys. I just need to, yeah. Thunder is in second place. Diego is right there. Thunder, you streak past by to first place. And wow, that's a miracle for the home team. Oh, Thunder. And the stadium's gone wild. The Thunderbolts have won at their home stadium. That improves their odds of winning. Congratulations to Billy, Diego, and Thunder. You guys see, guys, for race 6, and I'll post who's able to win. No, I'll tell you guys who's able to win in the what's it called like in the posts. So take care, guys, and hope you have a good day. Bye.